Yeah.
Write down this, for example, instant, which means 0.2m plus 0.8m, 0.2m plus 0.8 equals 1.8. Now, children, basically, decimal equations are solved the same way as everything else. Solved the same, which meant if those were actual numbers that didn't have decimals, what would you do first? Somebody. Sophia.
You get rid of the 0.8 by taking away the 0.8.
Think opposites, you want the m to be by itself. The first thing you do is opposites, kind of backwards order of operations. You get rid of the addition, subtraction first. So you would subtract 0.8, and you would subtract 0.8, which means you end up with just a 1 over here, correct? And then 0.2m equals 1, and then the last thing you would do there would be to Zachary.
Divide 0.2.
Yeah, divide by 0.2. Now we don't like fractions in this, so we actually do divide it out. 0.02 goes on the outside into 1. How do I do that? Somebody? Chase? How do I take 0.02 and divide it into 1? Yeah, I put decimal here, it moves 2 places there, I add 2 zeros. It's the same as 2 into 100, which is in fact 50. So the letter M
It's
equals.
0.2.
What?
It's not 0.02, it's
Oh, who put 0.02 over there? Sorry, it's fine. Enough of that. Now, the reason I made that mistake was to prove a very valuable point. And that point is decimals can mess you up. Write that down. Decimals mess you up. Verb in that sentence is? Verb in that sentence is? Subject? One more. And then maybe we can set ourselves free. Again, trying to prove a valuable point that we may not get to. I want you to do this one. Hopefully I'll find it. 0.006a plus 0.02 equals 0.2. And I would like for you to do that on your own. And let's see if we come up with some sort of resolution to our problem. Very interesting. Right. Let's check on their answers. Ulrich? Huh?
Yeah.
Your answer.
30.
30. How many peeps got 30? Siller? What'd you get?
I wasn't.
How can you not be nice? Tell me something else? I mean, there's got to be other answers out there. Jackson, what'd you get?
30.
You get it just because? Zachary, what did you get? I know you did get 30. But you had it and then you changed it. Now, let me just throw this at you. Because decimals mess you up, and the reason I threw this at you is because, ladies and gentlemen, there's a way to simplify this problem. Make it easier. Watch how easy this becomes. I don't know, 30 is probably right, I don't know, maybe not, but watch how much faster this becomes. You are, ladies and gentlemen, allowed to, in mathematics, if it's an equation, you can multiply every term by the same number and still get the same answer. Now, you probably don't understand how that can help you. Does anybody help understand that? Anybody want to tell me where we're going with this? Speculation? Anybody before parent-teacher conferences? Nah, probably not. That means this. If I could get rid of the decimals, the problem with this equation is the decimals make it difficult. Because you got to worry about lining them up, you got to worry about moving them over, you got to deal with them in division. If you can get rid of the decimals, this problem will be very, very, very simple. To which I would say, okay, if I could multiply all of these by one single thing, what number would I pick? That would get rid of all my decimals. Anybody? Oh, boy. Am I just floundering out here on my own? Let me just tell you what it would be, and maybe you'll catch on. I'm going to multiply everything by 1,000 because that moves the decimal 3 places in all of them. And watch how easy this problem becomes. 3 places makes this 6a, plus 3 places makes that 20, 3 places makes that 200. Now, does that problem look far less daunting than the original one? Because it's just going to end up like this. Subtract 20, I get 180. 180 equals 6a, divide by 6, and I get 30. Would that not have been easier than the whole decimal thing, or would you rather do the whole decimal thing? If you really want to do the whole decimal thing, you can. Now you're going to say, but is that all?
But is that all?
No, because you can use the same concept or / philosophy with this. If I gave you this problem, 1/2 x plus 7/8 equals, I don't know, 5/6. Again, it's not a hard equation per se, but the fractions are going to make it hard. Now, rather than doing it out as a fraction, if you go back to the little thought we just had before, what could I multiply these fractions by that would get rid of all the fractions? This is where there will be maybe 1 or 2 of you that I'll give you an answer. I'll give you a clue. If I were adding them together, what would be my denominator?
8.
6 doesn't go
Oh,
with 8.
right.
Cassie, say it loud. 24. Watch, if I multiply this by 24, what happens? By the way, it'd be 24 over 1 if you want to put it in fraction form, I guess. Half of 24 is 12, so I get 12x. 8 goes into 24 3 times, and 3 times 7 is 21. 6 goes into 24 4 times, and 4 times 5 is 20. This would be the same equation as that, or give you the same answer. Subtract 21, oh great. Subtract 21, I get a -1. Divide by 12, my answer would be, in fact, -1/12. How many of you think you could have got that the other way? Shannon, what's your thoughts? It's who?
It's easier.
It is easier. We'll skip the fraction one and go right back to a decimal one again.
Oh,
Because that I don't want to. How about this one? You do this one for me. 0.25 plus 0.18y equals 0.97. What do you suppose you're going to multiply those all by? What will get rid of the decimal? Emma Miller? There you go. Do that. See what you get for an answer. And I would very much like to see that, because I know you can do it without it, but multiply every term by 100. You should be done by now. Anybody not done? You aren't done? Or you are done?
Or not.
Okay. Zach's done. Did it work out evenly, Zachary? It did? Seems like it's taking a long time. Chase, did you get an answer? Is that a nice number?
Yeah.
Like not a fraction, not a decimal? No what?
It's not a nice number.
It's not a nice number? Did you make this 25, Chase?
Yeah.
Did you make this 18y, Chase? Did you make this 97, Chase?
Yeah.
How do I solve for y? Subtract 25?
I subtracted it.
You can't, that's a y, it has a y next to it. Subtract 25, you get, what is that, 72 equals 18y. Divide by 18, 72 divided by 18 is?
4.
How many 4s out there, anybody? How many did the same thing that Chase did, and tried to subtract it just because it was in the middle? Nope, Chase, don't do it. How about one? How many of you are there?
There's 21.
This one will be 4. How many problems get taken off today's assignment? You may not look at anybody else's paper. When you're done, you have to circle it. There are going to be negatives and positives. Not positive about that. No, negative. Don't be so negative. Are you positive? Negative 0.5a plus 1.4 equals 8.9. And the clock begins now. Right for the problem. 4. Everybody gets it right there. 6 problems. Chance of that.
Wait.
Like that. Odds of that. 6 to 1. So look at anybody else's paper. Circle your answer. Everybody's done?
Wait, I'm gonna write it down.
Zach claims that he's either right or wrong.
Wow.
Alright.
I'm smart.
The logic's in his brain are
I
just
mean
power
something else.
good, right?
I meant something else.
This is mean.
Are we done yet, Madison? Wait, put your pencils down if you're done so I don't see you stuff. Alright. Fry, what did you have for an answer?
I got -3.
I'm sorry, you got negative what?
3.
Negative, any other negative 3s? Alright. Joseph?
-15.
Negative 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cassie? 15. Are you kidding me? 2, 4, 6.
It's the opposite.
Let's see. I'm guessing everybody multiplied by 10, I hope.
Yeah.
Negative 5
I did it.
plus 14 equals 89. Subtract 14. Subtract 75 equals negative 5. So you are divided by negative. Right now, I know your answer is going to be negative. So A equals.
Let's go.
Raise your hand again if you had the negative 15.
It's 2 days now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, look at 10 again. Wait, no, we had.
That's more than yesterday.
That is more than yesterday. You want the first 10 or the last 10?
Last
People,
Last 10 off.
Last ones are like, there's no, there's no, but
The last ones are
I do have a quiz. What is that? 1 through 20 then? No, it's 1 through 9. 1 through 19. Wait, it has to be 1 through 19. That's 20 problems. So, it has to be 1 through 20.